the hidden metric that's actually wrecking your funnel, but how you can actually use relative advantage to actually fix this. I just wanted to talk today about a funnel metric that nobody actually tracks, but almost every funnel fails because of. It's not your CTR, it's not your CPL actually, and it's not even your ROAS, okay? It's what we call perceived relative advantage. And if you're not accounting for this in your content and ads, you're going to be burning through your ad budget on leads who are never going to convert. Now, here's what that means and how to fix it. Okay, now we know that every funnel competes with more than just competitors. And most funnel owners are actually fixed and focused on conversion rates, which is fine. Things like what percentage of webinar attendees book in a call, what percentage of email opens actually lead to applications, what percentage of opt-ins lead to purchases. All are fair questions, but they ignore one thing as well, yeah? Every single buyer is comparing you to their current reality, not just to other marketers, not just your competition, but what they're already doing right now. For most, that might look like posting content and hoping someone reaches out, boosting posts and calling it running ads, sitting on a half-working funnel that they built last year, or getting on 3-hour calls with cold leads who are never going to convert. What a waste of time. It's inefficient, it's frustrating, but it's familiar, isn't it? We speak to so many people, we know that that's what's going on. And here's the problem. We're noticing that people do not switch unless they believe the switch is worth it. And this is where most funnels are falling apart right now. If they don't see the advantage, they are going to stay put. You could have the best targeting, you could have the best landing page, you could have the best automation processes. But if your funnel does not show people why your method is clearly better than what they are doing right now, they are not going to budge, they're not going to change. They'll watch your content and nod. They'll agree with you. They might even book in a call, yeah? But they'll ghost or delay, or they'll chat with you, or they might even go with somebody else. And it's not because you were not the right fit, yeah? It's just because they did not see the relative advantage. Now, fixing it actually comes down to framing. You don't need to build a new funnel. You do not even need to change your offer. And you don't even need a new ad budget. Hooray, hooray. But you do need to start inserting stealth influence content into your retargeting layer that answers this question. Are you listening? Why is this method a better choice than staying stuck? Okay, that's when you have to answer for them. Now, one of our favorite frameworks for this is called the Hot 7s ad sequence, and it lets you set up 7 low-cost ads that answers these invisible buyers' questions before your audience even gets to your offer. Now, what happens is you stop losing good leads, hooray, and you stop having to explain yourself over and over and over. And your funnel actually then ends up doing all that heavy lifting for you. Do you want to see what this looks like? And how you could actually shortcut all of that work of figuring it out by yourself? Yeah? If you drop the words Hot 7 below or message me, I will send over the full template that we use for our own clients, yeah? And I think once you see how it works, you won't have to go back to guessing to what your audience wants to hear, and your life will be so much easier and you get more conversions.